Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to Saint Tangents Public School online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 4 again means elasticity of demand. And today we will discuss again type 4 calculation of elasticity of demand when total expenditure is given. See, total expenditure is given. Now question is here, a consumer spends rupee 80. Consumer spends means this is expenditure, this is an expenditure, rupee 80 on a commodity when its price is rupee 1 per unit. See, how will you solve this? Now initial price means old price rupee 1, and initial expenditure according to rupee 1 means total expenditure, meaning initial total expenditure is equal to rupee 80. See, after this, and spends rupee 96 when its price is rupee 2 per unit, means new price means rupee 2 and new expenditure means rupee 96. Now you can calculate Q. Initial quantity means initial total expenditure divided by initial price means 80 units, and new quantity means, how will you calculate new quantity? You will divide new total expenditure by new price. So 96 divided by 2 means 48 units. 48 unit. So please find first of all here delta P, P1 minus P, 21 minus 1 is equal to 1, and here find delta Q means Q1 minus Q, 48 minus 80. So answer will be 32 means minus 32. Minus 32. So after this, see, calculate price elasticity of demand for the commodity by the percentage method. See, what is the formula of percentage method? Minus percentage change in, see right here, ED is equal to minus percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. See, percentage change in quantity demanded is not given in this question. So first of all you will calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. See, percentage change in QD. What is the formula of this? Delta Q divided by Q into 100. Delta Q means minus 32. Q means 80 into 100. 0 to 0 will be cancelled, and 32 divided by 8 at 4, and means this is minus 40%. Minus 40%. Now calculate percentage change in price. Percentage change in price. What is the formula of this? Delta P divided by P into 100. So delta P means 1 and P means again 1. C into 100 means 100%. See, please put the value of this and this into this formula. See, percentage change in quantity demanded means minus 40%, and percentage change in price means 100%. And this minus sign and this minus sign will become positive, and 0 will be cancelled, and 4 divided by 10 means 0.4 means ED is less than 1 means less elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. Means when total expenditure is given, you can say how will you calculate elasticity of demand when total expenditure is given. Please pause the video and note down this. See example number 3. A consumer spends rupee 80 on a commodity at a price of rupee 1 per unit. So how will you solve this? Please see here. Solution. Initial price is rupee 1 and initial expenditure means rupee 80. After this, and rupee 100 at a price of rupee 2 per unit means new price rupee 2 and new expenditure means rupee 100. So initial quantity will be 80 divided by 1 means 80 units, and new quantity will be new expenditure divided by new price means 100 divided by 2, 50 units. See, first of all find delta P. P1 minus P means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and delta Q. Q1 minus Q means 50 minus 80 means minus 30. See, price elasticity of demand. See, means it's up to you. You can use here either percentage method or proportionate method. Percentage method or proportionate method. Suppose if there is not given in question, or you can say means math. Suppose method is not given. Method is not given in question means either by percentage method or proportionate method. Then you will always use proportionate method. Which method? Proportionate method. See, what is the formula of proportionate method? Is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. Minus delta Q means minus 30, delta P means 1, P means 1, and Q means 80. See, this minus sign and this minus sign will become positive. 0 and 0 will be cancelled. See, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means 0.3. 0.3 and 0.3 means ED is less than 1. ED is less than 1 means less elastic. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve this type of question. So now see, consumer spends rupee 80 on a commodity at a price of rupee 1. So initial price 1 and new initial expenditure 80 and new price is 2 and new expenditure 100. Now you will calculate first of all initial quantity, then after initial quantity, then after new quantity, and then you will calculate delta Q, delta P, delta Q. Then after you will use proportionate method and you will divide this with. As you can divide up to 1 decimal means you can solve this fraction up to 1 decimal, up to 2 decimal, up to 3 decimal. It's up to you, but value will be less than 1. But value will be less than 1. Suppose if you find this fraction, if you calculate this, if you solve this fraction into up to 2 decimal, then it will be 3.75, 0.75. Suppose if you solve this fraction up to 3 decimal means 0.375. 0.375. So I hope all of you have understood. Means it's up to you. You can solve this fraction means fraction up to 2 decimal, up to 3 decimal, or up to 1 decimal. But See, value will be less than 1, so less elastic. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See, last example of this chapter, you can say last example of this type, and after this example, this chapter will be completed. See, how will you solve this? Solution. See, Mr. Ram spent rupee 200 on a commodity and bought 20 units of it. 20 units means this is initial quantity, means Q is equal to 20 units, and initial expenditure means rupee 200. Rupee 200. When its price changed, he spent rupee 300, means this is new total expenditure rupee 300, and bought 15 units, means this is new Q1, means 15 units. Now please find new price. Initial quantity is given, initial total expenditure is given, so you will find first of all, you can say you will find first of all initial price, and 200 divided by 20 means rupee 10, and after this you will find new price, means 300 divided by 15 means rupee 20. See, please calculate here delta Q, Q1 minus Q. So 15 minus 20 means minus 5, and delta P is equal to P1 minus P. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, and use the formula of proportionate method. See, ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. Minus delta Q means minus 5, and delta P means 10, and P means 10, and Q means 20. 10 will be cancelled. 20 divided by 5 at 4. So minus and minus sign will become positive. See, 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 means 0.25. This is less than 1. ED less than 1, so less elastic. I hope all of you have understood, means what is the meaning of elasticity of demand, and what do you mean by proportionate method, what do you mean by percentage method. We have already discussed, means these concepts, and we have also discussed some numericals of elasticity of demand by percentage method and proportionate method, and this chapter is completed. So in my next video we will discuss chapter number 5. This chapter number 5, production function. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. Have a good day, and thank you very much.